Seeing the glowing effulgence of the four Kumars, the masters of all mystic power, the king and his associates could recognize them as they descended from the sky. The four Kumars are described herein as Siddhishvaran, which means masters of all mystic power. One who has attained perfection in yoga practice immediately becomes master of the 8 mystic perfections. To become smaller than the smallest, to become lighter than the lightest, to become bigger than the biggest, to achieve anything one desires, to control everything, etc. These four Kumars, as Siddhishvaras, had achieved all the yogic perfectional achievements, and as such they could travel in outer space without machines. While they were coming to Maharaj Prithu from other planets, they did not come by airplane, but personally. In other words, these four Kumars were also spacemen who could travel in space without machines. The residents of the planet known as Sidlok can travel in outer space from one planet to another without vehicles. However, the special power of the Kumars mentioned herewith is that whatever place they went to would immediately become sinless. During the reign of Maharaj Prithu, everything on the surface of this globe was sinless, and therefore the Kumars decided to see the king. Ordinarily, they do not go to any planet which is sinful.